Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your Canva video. So to do this is pretty simple. So here I'm in Canva and we have a video right here. So to add the link here, it's pretty simple. So I always do it like usual. So let's just grab this and then let's just duplicate it right here. So let's say we want to place the link right here. So just place link right here. And then all you have to do is actually just press Control K or Command K if you're using your MacBooks, and then you want to actually just try the link. So let's just say you want to link this one right here. You can do so. You can also place your hyperlinks right here, like Google right here, as you can see, and then it's gonna just show up right here. Or you can just do a display mode, or you can even embed it right here. So the embedding works by grabbing the actual detail and actual video itself into the video that you're making. So let's just say something like this. So let's just try to edit this link and actually go with a YouTube video. Let's just say YouTube right here, youtube.com. So it will do this and to embed it right here, as you can see. So that is how you embed a link right here into your own Canva video. So when you play it's going to play along, of course, but you have to press it, of course. So you will just have to do this and it will show right here, as you can see, that it's going to play simultaneously. So there you go guys, that is how you add a clickable link to your Canva video. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.